characters. Today I will show you how to animate names on Scratch. For this project I'm going to use my dog's name, Lulu. The objective is that every time I touch the letter with the mouse pointer, it has to change its size and play a sound. I have already chosen the letters and the background. So I will start with letter L. First, I need the green flag event. Then I will use block, wait until. It means that I have to wait until I touch the letter. So here I need a sensing block, and this is the touching mouse pointer, and I put it in here. So I wait until touching mouse pointer. What will happen next? Then I want a sound, right? So here I can choose this sound, or I can go to and look for a good sound. Could be this, right? Go back to code, and I will select drum bong, and I put it here. Perfect. Now, after the sound, I need the letter to grow, to change the size. So for that, I will go to look section, and I will use this block. Set size to 100. Okay, 100 is the original size. If I want the letter to grow, I will use a higher number. It could be 150%, right? So, and then I add it here. And now, if I want the letter to go back to the original size, I have to use the same block again, right? But now, to see the change, I will use a wait block here and at the end, right? Now, if I want this to happen forever, I will use this block, yeah, and add it here, right? So every time I click the green flag, yeah, I should have my project ready. Let's see. Perfect. Okay, now what can we do with the other letters? We can do the same, but an easier way is that I can click here and move all of this block to letter U. Then I click letter U, I take these blocks again, I click and move it to letter L, right? I click on letter L and I click again here, and I do the same with letter U, right? So now I have it ready. The only change that I can make now is the sound, because with letter L we have this one. So for letter U, I'm going to look for another sound. So go to Sounds tab, and we're going to go here and this one, right? Go back to code, and now I can select this one, right? Now for letter L, I do the same. I can select another sound that I could be this one, right? Go back to code, and then I select this one. And finally, for our last letter, letter U, I will change the sound. I go to walkie again, and I can choose this one, right? Perfect. And the last thing here. So now I will click here the green flag and see how it works. Perfect. Yeah. Good. There you are. You can also do an animation with the names you want. See you later, Scratchers.